Hey guys, this is Jeff Whitney Duel at the Dogtrot in the Dogtrot kitchen with the chef Hick doing a spin of his tunes. He's going to be making some happy tunes for us because we're going to be happy eating it. And I'm telling you what, I've had some of his food before and it is delicious. So anyways, I'm going to move on over here and we're going to catch him at his work. Now tell us there, Chef, what you doing?
We're cooking pork steaks.
Uh-huh.
We've got these lovely big pork steaks we're about to marinate.
Uh-huh. Where'd those come from?
They came from Piggly Wiggly.
Piggly Wiggly, look at those steaks.
Piggly Wiggly.
Oh, those are sirloin. Sirloin pork. Who would have thunk?
We got some, we're going to cook blanch some sweet potatoes and potatoes a little bit. We throw into the pot after everything's been sauteing a little bit. We got a whole onion. We got a cluster of garlic chopped up, some celery, a cup of orange juice freshly squeezed, and that's all going to marinate with the pork. And we'll cook the pork chops in this iron skillet with the potatoes and everything after they blanch a little bit.
Uh-huh.
Over here we have appetizers, artichokes,
Oh, whoa.
and we're going to have some basmati brown rice too to go with.
Oh, yes, I see that right here.
Yep.
And what
I'm
about...
sure that came from Piggly Wiggly too.
Yes, that came from... Everything here comes from Piggly Wiggly, our favorite store to shop at. The people are so friendly. Piggly Wiggly. Piggly Wiggly.
These potatoes in.
Piggly Wiggly. Yes, I see.
Get them cooked a little bit because they take. We don't want to overcook the pork steaks. We want them nice and tender.
Uh-huh.
Get them blanched a little bit.
And while you're doing that, I'm going to run the camera over to Heather here. Hello, Heather. And take a cruise through the kitchen. There's Betty Boo. Yeah. And Big Boy under the glass, a big boy. That used to be my favorite hamburger till In-N-Out came about. Oh, yes. Quite a collection you've got here. Quite a collection.
Throw some Worcestershire sauce in here. A bit of red wine.
Oh. Ah. Oh, that's hillbilly wine. No, that's redneck wine.
Redneck wine.
Redneck wine. It's actually made right here in
Some
Louisiana.
orange juice.
Now, you don't get this at the Piggly Wiggly. No redneck wine.
Where does that come from?
That came from World Market.
Oh yeah, look at that. Onions, garlic,
Now,
celery.
do you bake that in the
orange
oven
juice.
for a while, or?
No, it's going to be all in the iron skillet here.
But how long do you let it marinate?
Well, as long as until something gets ready. I mean, you know, half an hour is good.
Uh-huh. But do you
I
cover it?
tenderized pork chops with a fork on each side. Get it open up, soak in those juices.
Oh, yeah.
Because you want your pork chops juicy. You don't want to overcook them.
Uh-huh.
Tastes a lot better. People say, you know, you got to overcook pork, you know, but that's old myth. That's back in the old days how they used to raise pigs. Waddle in the mud.
I see. Well, folks, we'll have to come back here and do a
Just hope it
little,
all fits in
do
this
a little
pan.
taste testing. But for now, we're going to say goodbye, and we'll be right back to you. This is Jeff Whitney at the Dogtrot, bringing you life in the kitchen, the Dogtrot way.